for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 MPG rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, CD player, power windows, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, power driver's seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.